guys! Today we're going to carry on from our last video and make our Easter cakes. Now we've got all our items to make it with. Let's get cooking! So nice! Let's get that chocolate. Let's break it up a bit. Obviously I'll break it up even more, I just want it a bit in pieces for now. That's alright. If you're wondering guys why I'm breaking the chocolate up, it's so that it will melt easier and quicker, so then everything will be more efficient. I actually kind of want a bit actually, but I can't. Okay. Let's get these eggs. If you're wondering why I have the eggs, it's so... Basically guys, if you're wondering what we're actually making, we're basically making Easter cakes or Easter bird nests, so yeah. Then you want these. I'll get another one because you never know how much chocolate you'll need. Okay. Some shredded wheat. If you want to know a way of how to remember north, east, south, west, never eat shredded wheat. Never eat shredded wheat. Nice. Is that it? Yep. Is that it in here? Yep. So, remember guys to get adult supervision. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Remember guys, there's a reason why you want adult supervision, because there's hot boiling water in this hob. So all we have to do now guys is let it melt and we'll be right back with you. Getting all melted guys, let's get a few of these ting tongs. Just wondering how many I'm gonna need. Not that. So let's come over here guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, no, I'm just going to leave that as 6. Nice. Wow guys, that's getting hot. That's looking well nice. Never eat shredded wheat. That's done. satisfying that does, guys. Oh, that's even more satisfying. Now guys, it's time to put all this shredded wheat into that chocolate. Chocolate. I might just break it up a bit more, guys, or even spread it about a bit. Oh, that looks so nice! Ah, so nice. Can we just have a second to appreciate that sound? Just saying, guys, your kitchen might get a bit messy, but that's okay, because you can always clean it up after. You've got to have one more bit of shredded wheat, guys. So, let me just get this on for a second. Yeah. Okay. Yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Okay. Mix it about. Nice. Okay. You always want to be careful when you cook, guys. So, let's get one. Let's get a bit in one of them. Maybe one more will definitely do. And just because that one actually a big one. That's definitely enough. Then you want to grab the eggs over here. That's funny. Well, not funny, but it's just cool that it sounds like whatever instrument it sounds like. Okay. Let's get all these eggy weggies into this bowl. Oh, they look so nice. They actually look so nice. The Easter bunny would be proud of us. Okay. Okay, back to the filling up cupcakes. Or muffin thingies, don't know. One more for luck. Next, just to make this a bit easier and quicker, that's got most of it done. That's probably worth 2. I don't want it to be worth 4 because that would be way too much. Okay, next. 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 That sounds so nice. Now for the last one. Because we have a few spare, guys, a bit more left. I'll fill up a few more, just a bit more. Then I might get a few more, whatever you call them. I can't actually think right now. So, yeah. Let me see, that's probably maybe 1 or 3 more. I'll try 3. Okay, let's move the eggy weggies back a bit. One for you. One for you. And for the last one. Let's see which one's needing the most. That's proper filled. That one needs it quite a lot. Yardy. Okay. Now they're all filled, guys. Let's get the eggs on. 1 egg there. 1 egg there, I suppose. And 1 egg there. Nice, yardy. I reckon we might be able to get 4 in each if we're lucky, guys. Be so gentle. You have to be very, very careful and gentle. So guys, all we have to do now is wait an hour or half hour and to wait for the chocolate to get hard, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, I forgot. Look at them. Okay. So guys, that was a lot of fun making these with you. And remember to watch the video of me getting all these ingredients. So, thanks for watching, and boom shakalaka, ding dong ding. Good cupcakes.